doing this, people be wanting us to do it professionally.
Hey guys, what's going on? This is Matt with rural Iowa. Just wanted to check in with you on what today's video is going to be because I forgot to do an intro again. This is going to be Dad and I doing the decking. We're going to be carpeting the floor and the decking, and we're going to start trying to get stuff mounted in here. So sit back, relax, enjoy the show. I guess it's labor intensive. I never imagined that redoing this boat was gonna be this much work, but in the end it'll be worth it, and I'm really glad that I'm doing it, and I think Dad's glad that he's helping me too. Big shout out to him for helping out, because I don't know if I'd be even half this far without his help. So, but enjoy what you're watching. Comment anything you think that we should add into this boat. But yep, follow along, and I'll catch up with you at the end of the video, but let's go ahead and jump into it. See you guys. What's up, guys? As you can see, the boat's completely full of crap. We're trying to get stuff done. We got the trolling motors wired up, got the emergency or the navigation lights wired up, working on the hatch, got the battery tenders hooked up, got the rear deck mounted. Yeah, we're coming along. I mean, this is the list that we still have to get done. Hatches, got to get the cables fully hooked up. Need some more 8-gauge wire over here. Connectors. Bilge pump. Hatches. So I need to get these carpeted. Need to get them mounted and latched. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the switch panel for this trip because right now, I mean, we're obviously getting down to the wire, and not really sure if that's necessary for just the motor, the nav lights, and the trolling motor just for this trip. Get it as ready as it needs to be able to pass inspection if we had to. But yeah, I don't know. Still need to figure that one out, but that's a good question. But yeah, the list is getting shorter. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 things to do, and we're actually 3/4 of the way done here. So got this one 3/4 of the way mounted. That one in the back is mounted, and then the one back in the back is not mounted. We still need. We didn't have enough hardware, so we got that stuff coming, and yeah. This has been quite the project, so hopefully tomorrow we're going to have it as done as it is going to be, and yeah, so I don't know, we'll see, but we get stuff wired, we got stuff done, I got the nav lights wired, which I'll turn those on here in a little bit, and you can check those out, so let's do that really quick before we say goodnight tonight. I hope that was actually, I hope they all worked. I couldn't see because I was in the front. Let's shut the lights off and check this out again. Oh, alright, well, I'm tired. This has been a long process. I'm going inside. We're almost there. I was going to wire up the bilge pump tonight, but I just don't feel like it. I don't know if we really need a bilge pump, like Dad said. Worst comes to worst, hammer down and beat it. I really appreciate you guys watching along, and hopefully you're enjoying this, and I hope you enjoy how this looks just like I do. So I'll run some footage with so you guys can see what it looks like. So thanks so much, and I'll see you guys later. Have a good night. been a lot of progress, and I'm really glad to see how it looks. If you have any questions, just drop them down in the comments. You can follow me at Rural Iowa. Be posting some pictures of our progress, like I say. Obviously, this stuff's behind, so Instagram's going to be the best place to see the updated photographs and all that stuff. So, but thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys have a good night. It's nighttime for me, so you have a good whatever, day, night, evening, however much. So, all right, thanks, guys. See ya.